Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, just a little kitchen chat. I wanted to tell y'all what I've been up to today. I'm gonna fix myself a cup of cold coffee while we're chatting and while y'all are getting your notifications and you can hop on. It's that time of day that I either need a coffee or a nap, and I'm opting for a coffee. So, let's see here. I bought some cold brew today, which I've never used, and I bought some unsweetened almond milk. So I'm gonna make mine with that. One other thing. I'm gonna use a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. This is a protein shake that I got at Walmart, and it's vanilla flavored. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that too, get a little protein in. And then I wanna tell y'all about some stuff. Let me see here. I'm gonna put it in my Tupperware cup so I can shake it. So I can shake it up like that car song from the 80s. I don't know if y'all remember that. It went, shake it up, ooh, ooh. That's what I'm gonna do to this cold coffee. And let's see, my best good friend Winifred buys this. I don't know if she buys this brand, but this is what Walmart had, and it was the cheapest one they had. That's why I bought it. And now I realize that it has one of these little thingamajiggies on the top that you have to puncture through or get your fingernail under. And I'm gonna use my knife and just open that sucker up and put in some cold brew. And I'm gonna have to sweeten mine just a little bit too, because I have a sweet tooth for sure. And I'm gonna put one sweetener in it. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of honey in it. I'm actually gonna use this Huntsboro hemp honey. I'm just gonna put a little bit of honey in here, and then I'm gonna give it a shake. There we go. Okay, so anyway, let me turn that camera just a little bit. Let me shake this up. Oh, let me make sure I got the lid on good. Okay, anyway, y'all, for you people that follow along. Oh, that ain't bad. That's pretty good. Let me turn y'all this way. I'm gonna cap some strawberries while we're chatting. I went down to Smith Farms in Gibsonville. I posted a video of what they have. I just did a little aerial shot for y'all. They are having a huge Memorial Day weekend sale. They're having, you can go to their Facebook page. There should be a link above that post. Janet was gonna put that. And then you can go and see what their specials are, but their strawberries on special, and so are their hanging baskets. So I got these beauties. I just washed them off. That I'm gonna be capping while we talk. I'm gonna set them over here, and I'm gonna see if I can find me there we go. Anyway, if you are local, and you love strawberries and plants, that's a great place to get them because they farm with the family. Y'all can see my shirt says Farming Takes a Family. And his little mama is sitting there at the register, and she enjoys seeing everybody. And Craven and them are just really good, hard-working people. So if you're wanting strawberries or you're wanting hanging baskets, plants, flowers, it's a great place to go. And the berries are amazingly sweet. Love them. Anyway, I'm cooking, cutting out. What I'm gonna do with these strawberries, let me show y'all. I showed y'all yesterday my secret, it's not really secret, my old go-to recipe book that has all these old recipes in it. The recipe cards slide right in. I don't know if y'all ever had those, but thank you very much for the stars, June. I appreciate it. But I found another oldie but goodie. And I'm going to use that, hopefully today, I'm going to try to today, strawberry bread. And this recipe came from one of my mom's best friends. She was my other mother. I had 2 of those. Y'all have met Vicky, the little short one with the dark hair. This one is Kay Swafford. She was my Sunday school teacher as an adult, and I dearly love her, but this is a great recipe. So be watching the page for that. I'm going to do, somebody said they're in the Cookie Monster fan club. That's hilarious, Amy. I love that. She'll be in with me later. She's out on the farm right now. But anyway, if you are local, these strawberries have been excellent this year, and I'm going to make strawberry bread at some point. Hopefully today, that we can have a slice for breakfast with coffee or whatever. And it'll be something sweet treat with these strawberries. Anyway, I also want to make barbecue sauce because I'm out of it. And I hope to share that with y'all as well. Be a great time to do it for Memorial Day weekend. But don't hold me to it because there's no telling what'll happen around here. And things get turned into a different direction. And they get turned in a different direction out of necessity. But I am going to make some strawberry bread at some point. So if you are a hashtag Cutting Up Crew member, which means you've watched the page from day one, be looking for it. Because once I get this coffee in me, I'll be ready to be the Duracell bunny again. Anyway, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I enjoy y'all so much and I appreciate it. Let me just turn y'all where I can see. My eyes are, I'm 53 and my eyes are getting worse. I have to be closer to the camera so I can see what y'all are saying. And I see people are saying, let's see. Hey, Opa, and hey, Rita. Good to see y'all. Cookie Monster Fan Club. Y'all are so sweet. She is such a mess. And she, like I say, she'll be in with me later. She is out on the farm right now. Wish you had a microphone. Linda, I usually try to speak loud enough that folks can hear me through this. But check your volume, check your connection. Just wanted to ask you, speak up. Jennifer, I will make a note of that to talk louder. Is this better for you guys if I talk louder and get closer to the camera for our chats? Well, hey there from Salisbury. Hey, Gail. I made your strawberry cobbler. It was delicious. Oh, that makes me so happy. Thank you for saying so. Cool. What a treat to catch you live. Strawberry bread sounds delicious. Yeah, this is a great recipe. I was checking to see if the volume's okay if I stand like this. So glad. Oh, well, you're so sweet, Kelly. Thank you. So happy seeing you more. Thank you. I appreciate that. I was checking the volume. Somebody said something about the volume. I had a microphone one time and it had this little like squiggly thing on it and the cat got it. She thought it was her toy. Anyway, I haven't replaced it because usually I have a pretty big mouth and I usually my voice carries. I've been told all my life to be quiet. Now I'm being told to speak up. Speak up. So is this volume okay? You always make my day. Well, thank you, Kimberly. Y'all make my day too. Okay, you're hearing me just fine, Gail. Perfect. So sometimes when I'm chatting, I need to be a little closer to the camera so y'all can hear. And when I'm doing a recipe, I'll speak up. Yeah, I can do that. Anyway, I'm going to hop off of here, cap these strawberries, get my cold coffee in, and then I'm going to get busy doing something constructive. We'll see y'all. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Thanks for following along. We'll see you soon. Bye.